Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Bitvae C5 Water Dental Flosser. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open here, remove this. Yep, looks like I turned it on. All right, so as you can see, the power button's right there. We'll get this open and kind of show you that in just a second here. All right, so once you get it out of the box and get that unwrapped, you'll see your basin for water. There's a way to kind of just fill right here and or empty if needed. Pretty sure this just twists off right there, just the same. So you can fill that as well and dump. And then that just kind of locks in. You'll have your no, it's not USB. It is a charger compatible with a lot of the toothbrushes that Bitvae offers. They have a certain type of power cord. And so we'll see a couple different options here. Once we turn the power on, to turn the speed up and go from clean to massage to jet. It looks like jet only works while we're holding the power button down, so just be aware of that. And you'll see some information there. You'll have your charging cable, as mentioned here, that will fit. It does not come with a charging block, just to be clear, but it does have your USB, and then it'll fit right in wherever we were on the back. That'll just fit right in like that to charge. And then that should seal. So if you are going to have, do this, some people do this stuff in the shower. So you'll just want to make sure that's sealed pretty well. As you can see, it goes, trying to give you the better angle. I got the turn the light off. There we go. As you can see, it goes down pretty much to the bottom, not all the way. So you may have some extra water that you just can't get. And that's where you'll want to kind of dump the packaging. And then of course you'll have, as we get this open, a couple different options as far as what kind of, I think it comes with 5 irrigators, and then one other. So let's get these all out first. Yeah, so it'll be 5 flossers, or Waterpik nozzles, which are going to fit in pretty easily. And then this one is a tongue cleaning. I'm not going to necessarily open that up yet, but just in case you feel like cleaning your tongue. So there's something I just want to explain about this. It should just click right in pretty easily, and then to remove, you're just going to kind of, I believe, just pop that. Yep. So it is a little button right there that should give it a little bit of a release. So it clicks into place, shouldn't come out unless you press that button, in which case it should slowly come out. So this is cool because it's going to rotate 360 degrees. A lot of flossers will not allow you to do that, so you're kind of locked into a position and you got to kind of figure out how to do this, and you maybe not getting all the water when you're kind of shooting like this, so it's kind of difficult. But if you can spin this sucker, then you can give yourself a position where you get all the water, which is great. The other thing that I absolutely love, and I think some of these times, like when you're kicking water through this, and we're in, let's just say massage mode, and it's spurting out. Like sometimes you're not able to kind of get that thing to stop on when you need to, or if it's shooting too much water, whatever. So I really can't say enough about the jet feature. where you're just literally holding that on. So I'm going to demonstrate this, but really what you're going to do is put this in your mouth. You do want to close your mouth so the water doesn't shoot everywhere. That's why some people do like to do this in the shower, and it is waterproof as mentioned. But we'll go ahead and show it anyhow, and there's a lot of instructions on here and everything like that to walk you through this stuff, but we kind of just walk through it. Remember, there are multiple levels of intensity, 5 different levels, 3 different ways to do this, so let's get to it. All right, so once you fill it up with water, the good news is this thing should remember exactly which mode you're on, so there should be memory, so you don't have to cycle through while you're in the middle of doing this. So I've got it set to jet, and I've actually got it set at the highest level, but really what you're gonna do is just try and find a spot in between the teeth and work through the teeth and everything like that, all around the gums. But make sure, again, that you're closing your mouth so it doesn't spray everywhere, and so we'll just give an example. Sorry, I had to spit that out before I continued, and that is something you'll also have to do, is make sure you spit it out. It will take a lot of water really quickly, so you may need to refill to get through, the entire mouth, but it does provide a little bit of cleanliness that your typical toothbrush won't do. It's kind of like a water floss, so just work in between the teeth, work the gums areas. The nice thing again is that it comes with different levels of strength, so when you're working the gums, you can actually take it down a little bit, and that way you're not bashing your gums heavily with water, because it can get a little tight. So this thing is totally awesome. I've got a couple of different brands that I've used in the past. This is the only one where you can actually just hold the jet button and let go, which I really enjoy. And I also like that I don't have to cycle through to find the right spot, because some of them start with kind of like an intermittent and then a full pulse and different speeds, and you got to cycle through while it's in your mouth, and you're wasting the water and everything like that. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.